Go. Millions of children around America cannot poop because they are constipated. It's a shame, isn't it? You poor children. Millions of children every day would give millions of dollars just so they could take a crap. It's a shame, isn't it?
Get it out of here!
But luckily, there's a way you can poo!
Really?
How?
Whoa. Chew and poo! The naturally actually no, it's artificially flavored. But we like to say it's naturally flavored gum that tastes great and it helps you poo!
How do you get chew and poo?
You can get chew and poo at any local store. It's artificially good for you. Do you like chew and poo, little
No,
boy?
I love it.
That's awesome. So get chew and poo today for the kids.
And go for a poop.